Good morning. This is trip to the thrift number. We got spots again. This is trip to the thrift number 63. Come on, Tommy underwear, but they're briefs though. We got these all black Air Forces right here. Might cop just to do a custom on them. Size 10. We shall see. Yo, this is fire. Just picked up this single stitch. Johnny Knoxville, Jackass, MTV t-shirt. So clean. Got the Chicago Bulls snapback. And then this Canon camera bag. It's like a side bag. Might actually get this. Pretty good condition. Got this pretty cool Lakers starter jacket, size XL, but look at that. Asking for $30. It's cool, but like I wish there was like a big patch in the back. But this right here I'm copping for sure. Vintage 1996 Raiders tee. Fresh out. I also found this bootleg Supreme beanie right here. Pretty bad. But they're asking for $2. I might scoop. Someone might want to pick this up. They have all these Roots Canada branded like sweats and crew necks and hoodies. These are the first ones that actually came out that have the actual matching top and bottoms. I might have to get these. These are both samples right here. This one's fire. This is super cozy. I don't know about this one. I'm alright about this one. It seems a little smaller too. I might just cop this one. I got this vintage Puma track jacket, and then I just found this Martin Luther King too. Crazy. Front and back. Yeah. Vintage Levi's Sherpa, size medium. Picking this up. They got this size XL asking for 20 though, but this vintage Nike Raptors warm-up. This is kind of tight, dude. But dang, man, $20. Just gotta give them a cleanup, but I found these for $15. A boy's size 13C. Oh, little A, you gonna be so swaggy. Let's go with the 45 in the back. I actually decided I'm gonna pass on these. Super sad though. But look at the jump math. See how much space is right there? You know, look at this one. Yo. Ugh. Just came across these Gucci sneakers right here. These are actually legit. Size 14.5 though. Look at the bottoms. They're asking for 50. I might still pick these up even though they're size 14.5. Yo, I just found this size large vintage Adidas tracksuit, full tracksuit. Perfect because I'm traveling to San Francisco this weekend, Saturday, and it's gonna be raining, so this is perfect. About to wear this to the airport. I got these feelers right here with the feeler going all throughout all the loopholes right there, or shoelace holes. But gotta pass on these. They're a little too beat. They're fire though. They got these Nike Blazers right here, size 12, and then they got these purple ones, size 12, and then these Dunks, all size 12. Someone probably donated these all at the same time. They're taxing, asking for 40 on all of them. Just found this Gianni Versace tie with the Medusa right there. This is freaking sick. I'm probably gonna cop this. They're asking for 30, a little tax on, but I don't know if I could pass on this. It's so hard. Dang, I actually gotta pass on it. Because, hold on, where is it? Right there. It's got a rip in it. They also got these right here. Size 14, Ferraris. Jeez. Pulling up to Goodwill. Yo. They got these joggers here. They're a little too wide though. It's got Boss all throughout the leg. Pretty fire. Dang. Just got faked up. Morning, y'all. Turn the radio off. Just got to the thrift. It is Friday right now. Forgot I had this crew neck with the front and back print. I actually haven't sold it yet, but extra cozy. These things extra soft. But yeah, about to head into the thrift. It is Friday. Gotta find some things because tomorrow I'm actually going to San Francisco. That's gonna be a dope vlog, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show y'all how to travel cozy. But yeah, just got to the thrift. But yeah, just got to the thrift, so let's get in. Let's go. Just found these vintage Versace frames, like eyeglasses. I'm for sure copping these. Oh my god, these are so hard. Yeah. Got this women's polo piece right here. Little crew neck polo jeans though. If it was just Ralph Lauren, I would have copped. I got this windbreaker right here. Like Miami Beach colorway. Might pick it up just because the colorway is dope. We shall see. Kobe 10s right here. Pretty small size, no insole too. And then right here, I just saw that they got some Jordan Futures. I think they're Jordans. Are they? Are these knockoffs? Oh no, they are. See the logo right there? How much are they asking for? And these might be my size. Oh hell no, size 14 again? Jeez. Man, if this didn't have this little freaking stitching on there, vintage Harley Davidson satin jacket, this for sure would have been a pickup. Ugh. Baby blue Gucci bag? Got this kid's size XL. Little Nautica windbreaker. Oh, it's got the Nautica spell on the neck? I think that's kind of tight. Look at this super low key Nike, like khaki jacket. Oh, can't see that right there. That's pretty clean. Yo, what up? Hair looking crazy, but it's all good. Just got to the mall. Oh, my hair's tangled, boy. Just got to the mall with the boo-boo. We gotta pick up a gift because your boy is flying out to San Francisco just for a day with the sisters. I know she hasn't been in the vlog for a while, but you guys will see her. But yeah, that'll be in the next video. But today, I actually gotta buy a gift for the cousin's baby boy. His name is Iverson. How dope is that, dude? So you already know what I'm gonna look for. Sneakers? Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna pop into Kids Foot Locker, which is right there. Come on! Dude, we're supposed to be shopping for the boy, not you. Hey man. Wow, dude, just dropping stuff. Got the Olive 13s right here. Just looking at the baby kicks. We got some Nikes. The TNs? We're thinking about doing this. Should I get them swagged out with the pink one? The champion? Or black? Or gray? Gray's cozy too. Gotta keep the little man cozy, but the pink one?
I say pink. What do you
Should I do it for him? He would too. He would rock it. Dude, look at these. These are for like infants, 6 months. Little baby suits? I know, we're probably gonna do the pink one. I wanted to do that, but I want him to be able to wear it as soon as possible. So we'll do one of these. Extra swag. Yeah. Dude, look how freaking sick this is. Little nephew about to look extra cozy in this. Oh my god, dude. I can't wait to dress up my own kid. Whew. Let's go. Wait. We have secured the bag and my hair is all tied up. Had to get him the little jumpsuit. My gosh. Time to go eat because we're hungry. Yo, what's good guys? So I actually just got home and I just want to show you guys the pieces that I came up on in this trip to the thrift. Alright, so here's the first one right here. Oakland Raiders vintage single stitch. Johnny Knoxville Jackass tee with the back print, MTV. The Grail tee, or probably the Grail of this haul actually. The Martin Luther King front and back wrap tee. This is ridiculous. Look how fire that is. My goodness, girl. And then right here, the vintage, or might not actually be vintage, but they're Versace eyeglasses, which I'm actually gonna turn into my actual eyeglasses. Let me clear that up. See right there? See right there, it says Versace. It's dope because it has like the little Versace logo. It's like really small, but it's right there. And then it's also on the other side as well, like right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna turn these into eyeglasses with my actual prescription. These is fire. And then right behind it, that Gucci bag. Shout out to Jackie for hooking me up. Gucci duffel. But yeah, I picked this up right here. This is a vintage Adidas, size large. Picked it up for $15. You see the Adidas logo right there. Got the stripes. Kangaroo pocket with the, that might be a half zip actually. Let's just call it a like third zip. And then it's got the matching track pants, obviously size large as well. Except this bottom Adidas has like the lime green right there instead of the black and like, or dark blue and lime green with the white logo. But yeah, so I picked this up and probably gonna wear this to the airport with these. Stay tuned for the vlog, baby. I'm gonna show y'all how to be cozy in the airport. Shout out Sandal Boys. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift number 63. Tomorrow traveling to San Francisco, just like I said, with my sister, and then we are going to travel cozy. I'm gonna show you guys how I travel, how I pack my stuff, everything I bring. I'm only gonna be there for 1 day, so I'm packing super light, but you already know, sandals, dress shoes for the event, and like just stay comfy, and then we'll get all dressed up when we get there. But yeah, enough talking about that. I hope you guys enjoyed Trip to the Thrift number 63. That vintage? You already know, Slowly. So let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Hey, man, to fashion. Shout out to my boy for the cut though. Was good. Peace.